Welcome to GuardsPro. When you hire a new guard, the first thing you want to do is add that guard in GuardsPro. GuardsPro allows you to create a detailed profile for each one of your guards so that you can assign your guards to multiple post sites, add notes for future reference, manage guards' licenses for compliance, define username and password for mobile app access, and much more. It is really easy to add guards within GuardsPro, so let's get started. To add a guard, click on Security Team on the main menu and select Security Guards. On the next page, you will see a list of all the guards registered in the system. Now click on the New Guard. There are 3 ways you can add a guard to the system: inviting by SMS, sharing an invitation code, or you can create a guard profile. When you select the Invite by SMS option, all you need to do is enter the guard's name and mobile number and click Submit. A registration code is sent to the mobile number through which the guard can register with GuardsPro. Using the invitation code, the guard can directly register from the GuardsPro mobile app. All you have to do is share the self-registration code shown on the screen with the guard. The invitation code and the link to download the mobile app is sent over a text message. The guard has to simply enter the invitation code on the mobile app while joining the company when prompted. When you choose the Create Profile option, the admin can directly create the guard's account and share the username and password with the guard. The guard can log in to GuardsPro mobile app using these login details. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. GuardsPro, #1 security patrol solution.